In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can see the image you want to resize on the canvas. Having your layers visible and your image selected will make each method smooth and predictable. When you need everything to scale together proportionally, use the Scale tool. Press K to activate it. Then click and drag a corner handle of your selected image. This scales the image along with its effects proportionally, which is especially helpful if your image sits inside a styled frame or is combined with elements like strokes, shadows, or even text. Because the Scale tool calculates all elements together, it helps maintain visual balance as you make the image larger or smaller. Keep in mind that if your source image is raster-based, scaling it up far beyond its original size can introduce softness. So increase size gradually and check clarity as you go. For quick proportional resizing without changing any effects, select the image and drag from a corner while holding Shift. Holding Shift locks the aspect ratio, preventing the image from stretching or squashing. This is perfect when you simply want the same proportions at a different size. Release the mouse when it looks right to commit the change. If your image lives inside a shape or frame, explore the fill settings in the right panel to control how it fits. Choose Fill to have the image cover the entire container edge to edge. This may crop the sides or top and bottom, but it guarantees full coverage. Choose Fit to ensure the entire image is visible within the container. You might see empty space if the proportions don't match. Choose Crop when you want to define exactly which part of the image is visible inside the container. With Crop, adjust the bounds to focus on the most important area of the image while keeping the container size unchanged. Finally, for precise sizing, use the W and H fields in the right sidebar to type exact pixel dimensions. Entering values here sets the width or height to the number you need, which is ideal for specifications like banners or thumbnails. If maintaining proportions matters, adjust thoughtfully so the image doesn't distort. That's it. Thanks for watching.